and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is another Fempreneur lifestyle series video. So today, this is really my second one that I'm filming, but I'm going out of order because I'm not going to publish this as a second one because this is further down the line. But I got a package in the mail today, so I wanted to share it with you all. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I did my branding for my lash line, how the package came, how it looked like when you get a package from a vendor, how it's going to possibly look, and also show you that you don't have to break the bank getting the packaging the way that you want it exactly from the vendor if it's something that you can do yourself once you get it. So I had two different styles that I really had envisioned for my brand. The first style I could not find at a reasonable price. I was going to DIY it myself, but then I couldn't even find just the box the way that I wanted it for my lashes by itself, and then I can DIY it. I couldn't find it how I want it for a reasonable price. So I switched it. I got a different kind of box, and even still, it was not the way that I wanted it to be. So I decided I was going to DIY it and make it the way I wanted it to be. Okay. So I have that package too that I ordered from Amazon, the products that I needed to do that. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so my packaging for my lashes, this is how my vendor sent it. It was really taped up like everywhere. There's tape all over it because they made this box fit my packaging. This is actually, I think, 2 boxes taped together. So this is how they sent it, and I had to cut all into it and everything, get it open, and so it's well secured, like it's packed to the brim. There was no space in it for any kind of moving around, jiggling, or anything like that. They did not put any kind of bubble wrap or anything like that in it to secure the boxes because I guess because it couldn't move around any. It would have been nice though if they would have added that touch to it, but my boxes aren't really damaged, so I'm not too upset about it. But here are my boxes. My brand is called Glamolit Cosmetics. So, Glamolit. And it says that at the bottom. I made that, of course, I'm going to show you in a video before this how I went about making my logo and how I went about making this for the back of the packaging. It says Glamolit Cosmetics, GOL, Goals Dynasty, hashtag Goals Dynasty. Are you lit? Tag Glamourless on Instagram. So I can't get it to focus, but that's how the box looks. And so it has gold framing, reflective gold framing. And in the inside is where your lashes go, right? So to me, this is too plain. It's glamour lit, so that means it needs to be lit up in here, okay? So this was not good enough for me, so I went on Amazon and I ordered some additional things. Now you guys have seen the packaging that my lashes from my lash vendor came from, and by now, and it's this, a slide case with a silver background, the basic that you get from nearly every lash vendor unless they send you a cosmetic like circle type case. But so far I'm already not too happy because what I ordered sounds to be jiggling all in the box. I did get this package early though. They said they were that the latest it would come would be the 3rd of June. The earliest would be the 28th of May. But this is the day before Memorial Day, so I got it early. It's actually a Sunday. I was extremely surprised to get it today. I just knew they were lying when they said I was going to get it today. They even changed their mind and sent me a text message this morning saying I wasn't going to get it until Tuesday. And then behind that, they said, yeah, we're going to deliver it by 8, because I was like, okay, let me get Parabus. I haven't told y'all about Parabus. I have to make a video on it, but if you want to get Parabus, I'll put a link in the description box. But basically, when you order anything online, like if it doesn't come in the time that it says it's supposed to come, then you can get $10 for that. And then if any kind of item that you purchase goes on sale within a certain amount of time, you can get the item for that price. So Parabus helps you to do that. It kind of automatically does all that stuff for you, although Amazon is making it a little bit more difficult for them. So wow, so that's why it's jiggling around, because a hole got punched in the bag some kind of way. And seeing as I better not be missing any, I promise you, because I need every last one of them. I actually didn't even order enough. I just ordered these to make sure that my idea is going to work. So I didn't even order enough for all of my boxes. I only bought enough to do it to like 25 of my boxes. But if it is not, if it works out, then I will order more for cheaper and let it take longer to get here. But I wanted to hurry up and see, so I spent a little bit more money to get it faster. But still not too much, because it's all about making sure your cost isn't too much in the beginning up front. Okay, so now with these boxes, of course, when I put my lashes in here, they're going to have names, so I'm going to need to brand them with a name. So I got this from Amazon, and I can put the link in the description, so if you want to get one as well. It's a label maker by Dymo, and it has a QWERTY keyboard. It has like symbols that you can use on here. It's supposed to have like over 200 symbols and special like characters or something that you can use. And yeah, I'm really excited about it. Oh, I can't even use this yet. I still have to go to Walmart and I would need some clear transparent paper. It was cheaper to buy it from Walmart than to actually buy it from Amazon, so I didn't do that because it's all about that cost once again. And here I got some glitter, silver glitter paper to go behind my lashes to make it pop even more. For silver, gold, and black are my colors, so that's why. And then plus I liked how it popped on the background of these, but that paper is too small because these are smaller than my boxes, so can't reuse that. I could have got my boxes the same size, but I wanted them bigger. So when I have my 25 mm lashes, or 28, 27, whatever, they don't, they can be really visible in the box just from looking at them. So I'm so excited. Oh my God. So what I'm going to do is cut this down to size so that it can fit in the background of this box. And I also got these right here. You can't even see them. To put on my box corners. Let me just place them on here so you can see what I'm talking about. To jazz my boxes up a bit, because to me, like I said, this is just way too plain for me. Look at how that just took the box up like some notches. Okay, glam, baby, glam. We lit over here, like duh. But in order to get some lash boxes with these already on here, honey, they want to tax you, baby. Oh, and look at the design of it. So in the inside it says, look like you're going to meet your worst enemy every day, #goals, because we lit. Then when you have that on there, that's gonna just take it up, baby, several notches. I have to adhere them, but yeah, come on now, come on, sis. You gonna tell me that ain't gonna be hot with the silver background? Okay, I'll have to come back and show y'all how it looks, the finished product. But yes, baby, No, I'm not playing. When I bring it to y'all, I'm gonna bring it to y'all. Like, I'm not out here just to give y'all some old regular schmegular degular lashes, a brand, all of that, baby. I'm putting hard work in it a whole bunch of time. What I tell you, a whole bunch of time. Like yesterday, my off day, I spent all day talking to vendors. Like, no ma'am, I'm not playing for other products I'm trying to bring to my line. So yeah, honey, get into it. And it's a magnetic box. So this is going to be perfect for you to keep your lashes in so that they can last. It should last you a minimum of like 20 wears if you take care of them and treat them properly. So yes, it's like, yeah, and you're going to want to keep it because it's going to be cute. It's lit. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you all today. And this label maker does come with some paper, but it's white background, and I'm definitely not gonna put a white background on my beautiful boxes. Like, they don't even go, sis. Transparent. Probably put the names right here is what I'm thinking I'm going to do, so you can see them without having to open the box. Because like, I could try to put them, I could put them right here, but then you'll have to open it up to see which lash name it is. Which, honey, it's all about the customer and convenience. So yeah, this is about convenience, so you can store them and keep them and have them a really long time. And it's going to be about convenience to put it right here so that you don't have to be like, which one is this? Because I want to wear this lash today. Oh, I got to open it up and see on every last one of them. I'm like, no, ma'am. We're making it easy and simple. Like, you have to think about all of those type of things when you're doing your branding and creating your product. So I will definitely come back with the finished product on a box so you all can see how beautiful it came out. Of course, probably won't. If I do come back with the label on there, of course I'll be in some different clothes because I have to go to Walmart and everything. But today is the day before Memorial Day, and we're kicking it all weekend, so I gotta go in a little bit to a barbecue, get up in this pool. But yeah, sis, wait on it. Okay, sis, look, here's one. Like, do you see the difference in that from how it looked originally to how it looks now? I may just put it on the front end and not put them on the back end. I'm not sure, but girl, look at that. Look at that, honey. You finna tell me that ain't take it up a notch? Look, now you can see them lashes so good. Okay, honey. Okay. Oh, girl, I'm impressed with myself. I ain't even cut the paper good, but baby, look at that. Yes, ma'am, we lit. I'm impressed with myself, sweetie. Huh? You're not finna tell me we ain't on the something? You finna tell me we ain't on the something, sis? Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. That's all I can tell you. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. Woo! Oh, yeah, and I got a pair of my lashes on, baby. Check me out. Yes. But, girl, yes, honey. Get you some of these mink lashes. Yeah. Yeah. Who ain't bad? Girl, stop playing with me. That's first and foremost. Like, just stop playing with me. Got a few choices to choose from. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to release, if I'm going to release all of them, because I got like 11 styles, okay? But definitely some of them will be more popular than the others, of course. But I'm excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, this is what you gotta have when you want to run a business, that excitement, and you gotta keep it though. Like, even when you release, if it's not going the way that you expected it to go, still be excited about it, because guess what you did? That's it. You went out there on the limb, and that does not mean just because when you first release it's not popping yet, that does not mean that it will not blow. Okay, you gotta have patience. I said that in the first episode. You gotta have patience, but girl, put your devotion into it though too. Put your love into it, because it's going to show. So that's all I can say right now, y'all. I'm just so excited. I'm ready to get on into the rest of these cases and get them popping. So, noted. But anyway, thank you for tuning in to Those Sense Online. My name is Ashley, and I will see you all in the next Fempreneur series. Don't forget to check the links in the description so you can get some of these products if you want to enhance your brand and just to get into that mindset of doing it yourself. Everything does not have to be purchased already like perfect. Because when you do stuff like that, they're going to charge you. It's going to cost you money, baby. You're going to have to come up with that dinero. But when you get in that mindset of I can do this myself, let me look at this. Let me see. How can I do that myself? Because that is not hard, honey. If they did it, then I can do it. That's the mentality that you have to have in general, but definitely in business. But I will see you all in the next video. Peace.